Now let's talk about health and behavioral health in Oregon and a lawsuit from 4 major hospital systems against the Oregon Health Authority. The systems are Legacy, Providence, Peace Health, and St. Charles. The suit was on, then it was off, but now it's back on again, revived by a federal appeals court. The hospital sued, arguing that civil commitment patients with mental health holds are forced to wait too long in their secure hospital rooms. Now, those are people deemed to be a danger to themselves or others. The hospitals say the problem is not enough space at the state hospital where those patients should be going. Without that space, though, the patients can't move on and they're stuck at the hospital. The hospital systems say that's a problem because their hospitals are not designed to treat that population for extended periods. We've explained this civil commitment controversy at length in our Uncommitted series. The number of civil commitment patients at the state hospital is incredibly low nowadays, down to single digits at times. There's just not enough room for them. It's because of a different federal court ruling that requires the state hospital to admit aid and assist patients who are facing criminal charges within just 7 days. Those patients have been found mentally unfit to understand the charges against them. So the state hospital is basically full of the criminal patients, leaving few, if any, beds for the civil commitment patients. That leaves the private hospital systems to care for the civil folks, which is to say that they say is not right. The hospitals want the state to spend more money to increase the number of civil commitment beds at the state hospital. But the state argues, hold on. You hospitals have basically signed up for this because they voluntarily apply for something called an acute care certification every 2 years. That certification lets them care for those civil commitment patients. The state said they do that, quote, because there's a business advantage to doing so. And now the state argues the hospitals want to get rid of those civil commitment patients in order to open up beds for regular patients and in turn make more money. So the hospital system scored a win with the lawsuit being brought back, and now it's back with the district court. The next step is the judge deciding whether or not the hospital systems can speak on behalf of those civilly committed patients who are in their care. It's a complicated legal question. We'll keep you posted on how this all plays out.